So if you remember in the previous video, we were brushing past the ball and the ball was spinning on a vertical axis, right? The racket was probably going from, say, 130, if you're left-handed, past to about 1130. That was the sort of motion. With a kick serve, the racket's going to move from 3 o'clock, you can see like that, past the ball at 130 up to 12 o'clock. It's that motion over there, going through that quarter of a clock face. And what that does, if you're making contact with your racket roughly 45 degrees, the axis that goes through the ball is around 45 degrees. And this is where the kick serve or the topspin serve gets really exciting, because you'll notice the ball spinning like that, it's going to have the same shape as a slice in the air, but when it lands, and this is the really cool bit, it's landing on a part of the ball that's moving. So in the air it's moving this way, but because the ball over there is spinning like that, it jumps to the left. So in the air it moves to the right, if you're a left-hander, and then it jumps to the left because of the rip on the ball once it's landed. And that's why it's a really exciting serve to have. And you can vary it slightly. So it might not always be 45 degrees. If you want a kick serve which has got a bit more topspin on it, you drift more behind your head, you probably arch your back some more. If you want a kick serve with a bit more slice on it, it's a bit more horizontal like that. So there's a range. People call them twist serves, kick serve, topspin serves. They're really all the same thing. It's just up to you how you want to vary that. Right, let's put that into practice with some drills. Hold the TopspinPro with your hand right up towards the top, choke down on the racket. You've got that 45-degree angle, you're just brushing past, get a nice rhythm going there, just brushing past the ball, and then grab a couple of balls, and using the same action, you can see that sort of shape in the air. So that's how you do it with a choke down grip. Now let's make it a bit more difficult. Hold the head unit of the TopspinPro right at the end, and now your hand's at the bottom of the racket, and you're doing that 45-degree push right up there, right? And then grab a couple of balls and do the same action. Start with your racket behind your head, that's a bit easier. So those drills should really help you add a lot of topspin to your serve.